caught in the middle, right? The other Thado people are very, critical about us. If you are not Kuki, if you are not Kuki, go to Imphal, let's see. If you are not Kuki, why may they have to, harm you? That's what the other point. But that's not where we should end up. So the responsibility lies on the responsible Thado people like us, that we should be distinct. I'll give you one example. There is one ADGP, Law and Order, Mr. Kailun Lupeng. His surname is Lupeng. He is still holding law and order in Manipur, in midst of all this crisis. All Tribal Student Union president was Mr. Pautin Thang Lupeng. They have said the two same surname. Why is still Kailun Lupeng still allowed to function in Manipur government? He is also Lupeng, the KSO president, All Tribal Student Union, who was a part of the tribal solidarity rally. The president of that time was a Lupeng. He can be, he was affected, and that other Lupeng officer can be, if he can be spared, it's about mistaken identity. That's very clear. So we want to make our Meitei brothers and sisters, this is the reason why the conflict has been messing up. So please understand us. Let us maintain our coexistence. This is the objective of Meitei Alliance and Thado in P coming together. And we have a very clear roadmap, restoration roadmap. Ours is community understanding through indigenous ways. Yes, government part is a different thing because arms and armed groups are involved. That's a different thing that government will sensitize it. Apart from that, it's community understanding. It's the responsibility of the Thado in P to sensitize those who believe in pseudo-nationalism of Kuki country or Kuki state demand, making the situation more volatile. So it's our responsibility. We'll do that. Thank you.